Hello, class. In this video, we're going to conduct a hypothesis test for a population mean using raw data. But before we begin, we were asked to, look at the probability plot and the box plot to determine if the conditions are good for us actually testing a hypothesis. And since all of our dots appear to fall within the line, and there are really no outliers, we can say yes, the conditions are satisfied. Next, we're going to click the little table button here so we can open up our data in StatCrunch. It saves us from having to actually manually type in these values. And I'm going to press Stat, T-Stats, one sample. Normally we press with Summary, but in this case we're going to use with Data. And our data was stored in column Variable 1. And then for our hypothesis test, we want to see if this new system reduces the wait time. So it looks like our wait time here is 88.8 seconds. So I'm going to enter 88.8, and we want to see if the new system decreases our mean time, right, our average time. So it's going to be a left-tailed test. I press compute, and here's my t-value. Next, I'm going to press stat, calculators, and I want to press T. And we had 9 degrees of freedom, right? Because I think she tested 10 cars, so we're going to use n-1 or 10-1, which is 9. And our level of significance was 0.1. So I enter 0.1. And again, this was a left-tailed test. So I press compute. And I get a value of negative 1.383. So now let's compare. My test statistic is negative 2.133. So anything that falls in this red area is the rejection region. So we're going to reject anything in here. So since this negative 2.1 is to the left of negative 1.38, we're going to reject the null hypothesis. So if we reject the null hypothesis, that means we accept the claim. The claim is that this new system reduces the wait time. So the test statistic falls within the critical region, meaning we reject the null hypothesis and we accept the claim. I press enter and it says good job.